Welcome to MIIN. This app reads your birth chart through 5 traditional systems and explains the result in plain English. Here is the one thing to understand before anything else. You enter your birth details once, and the entire site is generated from that single input. Every tab, every page you visit afterwards is your own chart. So let's get that first screen right, step by step. Right on the main page there is a converter you can try before entering anything personal. Every number in your life, a mobile number, a home phone, a car plate, an apartment and unit number, is reduced here to a single digit, and the app tells you what that digit means for that particular thing. Pick what the number belongs to, then type it or tap it in on the keypad. Hyphens and spaces are fine, the converter picks out the digits for you. The result lights up on the dial of 9, with a short reading underneath. One caution: please do not enter sensitive numbers such as bank or card numbers. This is a reference reading, not financial or medical advice. From the main screen, open Destiny Map and click the first tab, 5 Pillars. This is the input panel, and it is the source for the whole site. Look at the note under the calendar. Analyzing here syncs the tabs below to the same birth date and time: Plum Blossom, Z-Way, Feng Shui, Vitality and Full Fortune. You never type your details twice. Before we type anything, notice the badge on the panel: 5 pillars, 10 characters. Almost everywhere else you will meet the 4-pillar method, 8 characters. This app reads 5 pillars and 10 characters, a system its creator built and completed himself. That extra pillar is why the readings here go further than a standard chart. Start with your birthplace. Next to birthplace, click Change. A search box appears. Type your city or country in English, for example Paris, Tokyo, or New York. Pick your city from the list below. Here I choose Paris, France. Why does the city matter? Because the app uses that city's longitude to convert your clock time into true local solar time. A birth in Paris and a birth in Seoul at the same clock hour are not the same hour on the chart. Choosing the right city is what makes the reading accurate for people outside Korea. Now the date. Choose solar calendar or lunar calendar at the top, and male or female. Set the year with the -10, -1, +1 and +10 buttons, or drag the slider. Set the month the same way, then click your day in the calendar grid. Then the hour. On the right you see 12 2-hour bands. Click the band your birth time falls into. And this is important: if you do not know your birth time, you do not have to guess. Just press Unknown. The app will read your chart without the hour pillar instead of using a wrong one. At the bottom you have 2 buttons. Analysis opens the 5 pillars chart with the detailed breakdown. All-in-One opens every system at once in a single long reading. If this is your first time, press Analysis and read that first. It is shorter, and it teaches you the words the other tabs use. Here is the analysis result. It opens with your day master, the balance of your 5 elements, and which element supports you. Strengths and cautions are short bullets. Hover over any sentence you do not recognize, and a plain language note appears explaining the term. If the reading is long, press Red. The page is spoken aloud in English, sentence by sentence, with the current sentence highlighted. Press Stop reading whenever you want. Every long section in this app has its own read button. Once you are comfortable, use All-in-One. 6 subtabs run across the top: 5 pillars reading, Plum Blossom reading, Z-Way reading, Samaisa integrated, novel reading, and investing insights. Samaisa integrated is the one to read first, because it shows where all 3 systems point the same way. Each reading can be saved on its own. Inside All-in-One, the 5 pillars reading, the Plum Blossom reading and the Z-Way reading each have their own PDF button. Download them separately and read them later, or keep one for yourself and share another. One thing worth knowing. Your birth details are kept in your own browser, not on a server. There is no sign-up, and the readings are generated on your device. When you press save locally, the copy also stays with you. So the personal information you type here does not remain on the web. Here is that in action. I have not typed anything on this page, yet Feng Shui Secrets already shows my 5 pillars and my supporting element, with a banner saying the 5 pillars engine is linked. Life energy, study and overall fortune behave the same way. One input, and the whole site is already yours. Back on the main panel, the 6 tabs are 6 lenses on the same birth data. Ziwei Do Shu maps 12 palaces, with the Life Palace for personality and the Career Palace for work. The star names keep their Chinese characters, followed by the English meaning. This is Plum Blossom. Of everything on this site, it is the part one would ask you to spend the most time with, and the part its creator finished rather than inherited. It reads your chart as 4 layers at once, your whole life, this year, this day, and this very hour. You do not need to believe anything to use it. Read it as a description of conditions, the way you would read a weather map before a long drive. Before anything else, look at these 2 buttons, Easy Story and Pro Reading. Easy Story writes the whole thing as plain sentences, start here, always. Pro Reading opens the same content with the technical terms visible, for when you want to go deeper. Nothing changes underneath, only how much is spelled out for you. Next to that, the calendar switch, solar, lunar, and the leap month. If you were born on a lunar date, this is the one setting you must get right, everything below is generated from it. There is also Read All, which reads the whole page aloud if you would rather listen than read. Here are the 4 layers as tabs, life, year, day. The hour appears with the day, marked in the old 2-hour system. The habit worth building is this: read life first to know the shape you are working with, then year for the season, then day for today. Going straight to the daily reading is like checking the weather without knowing which country you are in. The Daily Master Key is the short version of today. 1 paragraph, and a confidence level. On a busy morning this is enough. If it says confidence is low, that is not a broken reading, it is the reading telling you that today is genuinely unclear, which is useful information about the day. Overall confidence sits near the top for a reason. A reading with a strong direction and low confidence should make you smaller, not bolder. This single number is the difference between using a tool and being used by one. Further down are the 3 hexagrams, body, use, and changing. In plain terms, what you are doing about it, and where it is heading. I am not going to explain how they are derived, that is not what you need in order to read them. Look at the 3 together and ask whether they point the same way. Point explanation is where it stops being symbols and becomes sentences. It tells you what the combination above actually means for an ordinary week: work, money, health, people. Read this before you read anything else on this part of the page. The master interpretation is the long form, the full reading, written out. It is deliberately long. Nobody expects you to read all of it in one sitting. Open it when something in your life has actually changed, and read the part that matches. At the very bottom are 2 reference books built into the page, one on numbers, one on specific remedies. These are for looking things up, not for reading front to back. And one more thing, every reading here can be saved as a PDF, so you can keep it without leaving anything behind on a server. Tarot draws cards for a question you hold in mind. Please treat this tab as something you enjoy for fun. Tarot is a deep practice with its own language of symbols, so if it genuinely interests you, study it properly first and then come back and read the cards yourself. A single automatic draw is not a substitute for that study. Pet match is simple. Enter your pet's birth year and it compares that year's energy with yours, showing where you match easily and where you may need patience. It uses the year only, not the month, day, or hour, so read it as a light compatibility check between you and your animal. Overall Fortune is the short summary tab. It gathers the main signals from the other systems into one page, so you can see your lifetime flow, this year, and today at a glance. Use it when you want the headline rather than the full reading. Sage Wisdom is the mentor library. The mentors here are representative figures of the world's religions, so you can start with the tradition closest to you. If you do not follow a religion, try Socrates. Click any mentor and you get their historical background together with their advice, achievements, quotes, ideas, philosophy, and interpretation, and a full life story you can also listen to. This section is still growing. More mentors are planned, not only saints and sages, but philosophers, scientists, mathematicians, artists, statesmen, the people across history who moved humanity forward. A further feature is planned as well, where each mentor speaks to your own chart directly, so you can exchange questions and advice across the centuries. Those parts are on the roadmap, not live yet. Because your chart is already linked, Feng Shui Secrets goes straight to advice. For cards sit at the top, comprehensive analysis, space layout, color and material, and a life question and answer roadmap. It gives your personal qua number, your supporting element and your best directions. Then it goes room by room, entryway, living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, study, child's room, dining room, balcony, and studio apartment. Each room carries a score and 4 short questions. Answer them and you get concrete changes for that room, where to place things, which direction to face, which colors and materials suit your element. There is also a 2026 report for the year ahead. Life Energy is the medical destiny view. It reads the same chart for your daily rhythm and shows a balance index for today, with which energy is running strong and which one needs support, plus simple suggestions for each. Use it to plan the shape of your day. It is a wellness guide, not medical advice and not a diagnosis. Study is the knowledge hub, organized by subject, philosophy and science, 5 pillars, Plum Blossom, Z-Way, finance and investment, and Feng Shui. Each subject has theory chapters and worked examples, so any term you met in a reading can be looked up here in plain English. Let's put it all together. Open Destiny Map, click 5 pillars, search your city so the longitude is right, set your date, choose your hour band or press unknown, then press analysis and read it. That single input generates the whole site, Z-Way, Plum Blossom, Tarot, Pet Match and overall fortune, plus Feng Shui for your rooms, life energy for your day, and study when you want to go deeper. Save any reading as a PDF, and remember your details stay in your own browser. Everything here is material for reflection, not financial and not medical advice. Thank you for watching.